welcome. Today we're going to be cooking in Staten Island.
Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on Countertops. This week, we already made stir fry. Come with me. This is nice. This is right. So in today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and make some Mongolian beef and some broccoli. I know, a little simple, but we wanted to do something that was gonna be quick, easy, that anybody could make at home. We went ahead, kind of dropped the steak into the marinade a little bit ago. We've just got some cornstarch, brown sugar, garlic, salt, pepper, and just a touch of ginger. We're gonna go ahead and just get everything prepped and ready to go. We're gonna be cutting on paper plates right now. I know in past episodes we've cut right on the countertop, but today we're gonna be cutting steak. It's a little messy, so I'm gonna try and not mess up Anthony's shop here. All right, so now that we got the meat chopped up, we're gonna go ahead, get a little bit of oil in here, get everything cooked, and we're gonna get that meat out of the way, get ready for the broccoli. Yeah, I'll take that.
Here goes a little sambuca.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the man, the myth, the legend. You know, this is his castle, along with his partner, John.
Welcome to the castle.
So we're going ahead, just get this rolling, get it nice and hot. And because I'm obligated, can you hear the sizzle, Mom? Love you, Mom. So while this meat is finishing up, we'll go ahead and get these last few pieces in here. We're just gonna talk about the sapien stone surface that we're cooking on just for a minute. We said at the beginning of the episode that you can normally prep on these countertops, you can normally cut, but what we didn't want to do was just make a mess on here for him. It's a little bit tedious just to clean up, you know, raw meat juice. And we'll just get this meat to the side, go ahead and get our veggies cut. So now that our broccoli is nice and soft, it's got a little bit of crisp left on the end of it, everything's tastes delicious, we're going to go ahead and just get the rest of our meat in here. My plate doesn't fall apart on me. And then we'll get everything squared away. So we'll give this probably... Hello? Hey babe. I'm filming right now. Yeah, let me let you go real quick. Love you. Bye. Sorry about that. Give this just a few minutes in here just to finish the meat out, finish the broccoli out, get everything squared away. We should be all set. This might actually be the best meal of the day. And the simplest. We definitely want to say thank you to Sapien Stone for providing this awesome top that we're able to sit here and cook with. Anthony Barbagallo, this guy right here, for letting us come up here, cook, ruin his facility.
Making a mess.
We got this dude John back here.
Johnny, come
Turn
over
the
here
camera.
for a second.
So these are the boys. These are the guys. Our Northeast contingent, John and Anthony.
He's kept it up.
So I think this is actually
Coming into New York.
This is actually looking kind of done.
Looks beautiful. Thanks, guys. Beautiful, beautiful.
We're gonna go ahead, start digging in, give this a whirl. Oh, crap. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next week.